Hello everyone, this video is about how to do a tag when you place an element. Okay, for that you have to enter into the floor plan. I will enter here into the press floor plan. You can see that there are some tags with elements, and these elements are not tagged in here, but we can do tag when we place the element. Okay, let's see how. Okay, I will delete this one. It's D2 door. Okay, now I'm going to place a door here. Okay, I place in this. You can see that there are no any tag here, but we can do tagging while placing the door. Let's see. When I select this door, there are some options here. You can see that at the right side, tag on placement. Click on it. You can see that now D2 tag is already automatically done. Okay, I will do another. This is W3. You can see that tag on placement is switch on here. You can see that tagging is automatically done. This is the way how we can tag an element while placing. Thank you.